Good morning, beautiful people. Welcome to Tess Home. And for today's vlog, I am outside in our backyard, and now we are going to um how to say this. We are going to oh no, I am going to show you how are my pumpkins nowadays. So guys, we are heading to my garden with my dog. So the dog is just outside in my garden, so she is not allowed to enter my garden to my garden. Okay, so here we go, guys. I will show you my Queensland Blue pumpkin. So in this area I only got one Queensland Blue. That's a Queensland Blue pumpkin, guys. So only one. So the other one, that's pumpkin blue, Queensland Blue, but no pumpkin. So in that area, guys, I have also 3 pieces of Queensland Blue pumpkin. So it's growing, not too much big. Now, guys, where I'm gonna show you my butter pumpkin. So that's the butter pumpkin. So look at the leaves of the butter pumpkin, guys. Yun ang ating butter pumpkin. So it's butter pumpkin, guys, because I think my hubby ordered that seeds online. So yes, and then I do it on seedling and planted it. So we just bought the seeds from online. So it says butter pumpkin. So I have another one, big one, and then here there is tiny in there, and I'm not so sure if it will grow. So maybe, who knows, that's damaged or whatsoever. So I will just give time additional 2 days because I'm not so sure with that. Next, yes, that's our butter pumpkin. And here we are also going to the other patch. That's the same butter pumpkin. Yes, we have another, that's number 3 inside the greenhouse, butter pumpkin. And now, guys, in this corner, yes, here we go. That's the butter pumpkin too. Yes, and the other one here. Yes, and we have 5 big. It's not so much big, average size now. And we have coming in this video, you will see other additional 2 pieces of butter pumpkin. So the rest, guys, that's a crown pumpkin, and they have also starting to have a little bit more than one big, no, it's not so much big, but a bit smaller. So in that area we have crown pumpkin in there. So now we are going to go to the other patch. So I am here. So in this back of our garage, so I have crown pumpkin here too. So I have, yes, this is it. Now focus, camera focus. So here we go. That's our crown pumpkin. So in this area I have, that's 2, 3, that's number 3, and we have number 4 that's in there. Okay, so in this area we have 4 crown pumpkin. So they are the first one coming in, so the rest still tiny. So overall, guys, we have an average pumpkin of 4, 5, 3, or we have maybe 13 pieces pumpkin or more. So the tiny one, I did not count the tiny one, guys. Plus we have that one, that's the one. Yeah, that's the butter pumpkin that I told you that's still growing. So I just prune those vines that I feel like that they did not give pumpkin. So yes, that's our two additional butter pumpkins. So here we go. Then I'm gonna show you my spaghetti squash. So that's the spaghetti squash, guys. I have two seedlings of spaghetti squash, guys, that has been given by a friend in the school, and now they have already having its fruits. So that's spaghetti squash yon in there too. So I have more than seven